Yeah, the heat wave, guys. I have tried to work in the afternoon, but it's just too hot. And in the morning, if I work early in the morning, I will wake everybody up, so that's not an option. I can only work a little bit in the garden in the morning until 9, 10 o'clock maybe, and then back inside because the temperatures from 11 o'clock until late in the evening are very high. You know, we go towards 35, 36 degrees. So I think it's best to skip 1 week and then see you back in 2 weeks. And then this is going to be a very short update. Check out the new bathroom a little bit, how I did that. The last part, I better do it on another day because well, it's really too hot to work, so I waited until 6. All the pieces are prepared. I have to cut them. Let's do the last part. Oh. And then you think you got lucky with the last one, but unfortunately my ceiling is not straight, so I have to cut a piece, and I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to do that tomorrow.